Accounting in the Next Revolution by Mary Russell for CIS 100. Our world is evolving at a faster pace than ever before. Some believe that a fourth industrial revolution is coming that will fundamentally change the way everything works. The current digital revolution has already impacted our daily lives more than we could have imagined. Accountants and their cousin auditors are a legacy practice with traditions and methods that are very old. In this digital age, there's a new kid on the block that is set to change the way that accounting and auditing happens. Blockchain technology, which is still in an investigative stage, will greatly influence and change accounting in the years to come. The profession of accounting has its roots in ancient civilizations, such as the Holy Roman Empire, which kept detailed records of their finances. Changes haven't happened very often in the world of accounting. The double entry accounting method was developed in the 15th century, and it's still the standard today. And what we refer to as modern techniques in accounting and auditing, those were established in the late 1880s in Scotland. This was around the time that the first adding machine was invented. Today, each business, company, government, and individual uses at least basic accounting principles during their life and often during daily activities. During the explosion of the digital revolution, the accounting profession changed with computers and software, but the principles of accounting remain the same as a century before. Gone are the days of accounting clerks tediously handwriting in ledgers. With the use of a computer, the accountant can perform statistical analysis with greater accuracy and efficiency, and they can spend more time analyzing and consulting clients while the software does the work. But now that we are poised to enter this fourth industrial revolution, many people believe that accountants and auditors will need to learn a new set of skills to be able to serve their clients. Blockchain technology has been around for about 10 years, and while it's true that blockchain is used in cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, it has many other potential uses. Blockchain is a digital ledger using a system of blocks to record information that makes it impossible to change, hack, or cheat the system. Blockchain technology assures the confidence of everyone involved and offers effectively unbreakable protection. It also comes with several unique and valuable characteristics. The distributed ledger of blockchain contains a public history of transaction and retains a secure record of proof that the transaction occurred. The records are irreversible and censorship resistant. So how is the profession of accounting going to handle what is most likely its future? Some people believe that the very characteristics of blockchain's trust will eliminate reconciliations and could be a replacement for basic bookkeeping. Some of the tedious tasks that accountants used to do will also be automated. But blockchain will have a profound effect on audits and the role of auditors. Validating transactions and documents will no longer be needed since the data is built into the block. A new role for auditors will need to be created. The COO and product architect of Accounting Suite, Kurt Kunzelman, believes that blockchain will come with a few additional demands, but accountants will still be needed to provide analysis for their clients and employers. He says that expertise is what accountants get paid for, and now such expertise will be needed more than ever to analyze financial results. The CEO of Block.co of the University of Nicosia, Alexis Nicolai, has a little bit different view. He believes that accountants will take more of a consultant's role and they'll be required to bring value that software can't offer a business. He also says that if accountants do not have an understanding of the technologies that underpin the fourth industrial revolution, they risk going the way of the dinosaurs. Whatever the effects on the accounting profession, for sure blockchain technology will happen, and accountants and auditors need to stay on top of their field. The skills needed for the future will not be a detailed knowledge of how blockchain works, but how it will impact their clients and businesses. Blockchain technology will be the biggest change to happen to the accounting profession since the 15th century. The editor of Accounting Today, Antoinette Alexander, says that blockchain may disrupt the profession, but it won't eliminate the roles of the accounting and audit professional. On the contrary, she says, it represents an opportunity to evolve the profession.